3x square minus
minus 2 root 6x
2 6x
plus 2
plus 2.
equal to 0.
Okay. So if this is equation, so you didn't get even in the quadratic equation, quadratic formula. Guys, you got this in a quadratic equation or not?
No, sir.
No,
I didn't
not
try
even
it.
quadratic. Why? Why, Abhi?
I just tried middle term splitting and I didn't get it. So
Okay, so first we'll do the middle term splitting. Okay. So first of all, we should before going start doing this question, we should know something, and that something is that root 6 multiplied by root 6 is basically equals to 6, and root 6 plus root 6 is basically equals to 2 root 6. We should have this knowledge before doing this. Like whenever you multiply it root 6 into root 6, it basically becomes root 36, and the value of root 36 is basically 6. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? Yes or no? Huh? And
Sir, you
root
wrote root
6
6, right?
plus
6.
yeah. And root 6 plus root 6 is basically 2 root 6 before doing this. Okay. So first of all, when we multiplied it, what will we get? We will get answer as 6x square. Okay. We will get answer as 6x square. Now one x I will write here and one x I will write here. Now I want answer here in the between as root 6.
So
Okay.
root 6
So
and root 6. I think root
yeah,
6.
so
Root
if I
6.
will write root 6 and root 6, so here root 6 multiplied by root 6 is basically 6, and root 6 plus root 6 is basically 2 root 6. So we need minus 1, so that's why I will put
Yes.
minus sign on the board.
Yes, sir. Need minus.
Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Tyra, Joshua, Vidya, I'm repeating again. See, when you multiply first and the last time, it will become 6x square. You need plus 6x square. Okay, now in the middle, it's basically root 6 is there. So if root 6 term is there, then you should get that factors that when you will multiply it, you will get answer as 6. But when you will add it, you will get answer as minus 2 root 6. So basically, I wrote root 6 as a factor so that root 6 multiplied by root 6 is basically 6, and then minus minus will become plus, and minus root 6 and minus root 6. Same sign, we have to add it. So minus 1 root 6 minus 1 root 6 become minus 2 root 6. Did you understand, guys? Any problem in this? Now, one more thing also you should know that root 6 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 2. Did you understand, guys? I'm repeating again. Root 6 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 2. Basically, whatever the number in the root, when you multiply it, they basically multiply. So root 3 into 2 is 6. Basically, that should become root 6. Did you understand, Jairus? Sorry, Jashran? Yes? Did you understand? Abhigay? Any
Yes.
problem in that? Ira?
no
Okay. And in
problem.
the same way, root 3, sorry, 3 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 3, and 2 can be written as root 2 multiplied by root 2. Okay. Now how we will solve this? So I got the factor. Okay, so I'll write the equation. It's basically 3x square minus root
Minus root
6x
6 minus
minus root 6x
plus 2
plus
equal
2
to
is equals 0. Okay. Now I told you guys that root like 3 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 3. Root 6 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 2. So it means that what is the common? Root 3 is the common. Did you understand? Ira, I'm repeating again that 3 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 3. Root 6 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 2. So what is common? Root 3 is the common. Root 3x is the common. So I will take out root 3x as a common. Remaining behind. Now from this, one root 3 is out. So what is remain? Only one root 3 will remain. So root 3x, and from this x is out, and root 6, root 3 is out. So only root 2 will left. So minus root 2. Did you understand? Did you listen? Yes or no?
So,
Yeah.
can you explain that again?
Which part better? Sorry? Say it again.
The last one. The last one.
The last part is basically 3 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 3. 6 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 2. This root 3 and this root 3 is basically common. So I take out root 3x as a common. Now this 3, 1 root 3 is become as a common. So what is the remaining behind? Only root 3 is remain behind. So that's why I wrote root 3. Okay, in the same way, root 6, root 3 is out, means as a common. So what is remaining behind root 3? So I wrote as root 2. Did you understand that? Yes? No. If you didn't get it, just ask me. In the same way, in the same way, now what is common between them? So I told you root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2 and 2 can be written as
Root 2 into root 2.
Sir,
okay. My bad, the internet connection went bad. So I'm back. Minus 2,
sir,
yes,
when square root goes to the other side of the equal to, what will it become?
it becomes square. But in this question, we are not sending them.
Sorry, forgot to write equal to 0.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I was just talking about that equal to 0 part. Root 3x minus root of 2 equals 0. So when I said root of 2 to the other side, will it become plus root 2 or will it become
So
2.
if you are sending minus root 2 to the right side, so that minus root 2 will become plus root 2. But if you are sending only root, not 2, if you are sending only root, then it will become plus. So it depends
So,
what you are sending.
so root 2 is common in both root 6x and plus 2. So
Yeah.
minus root 2 into root 3x and minus root 2 into minus root 2.
Yes, correct. Understood, guys, what I'm trying to say? Did you understand? Just on what you didn't understand, ask me, please.
How do we find out what is x equal to?
Yeah. So now, basically, we got the factor. We will keep that equals to 100, equals to 0. So basically, this is the equals to 0. This will go to this minus root 2 I'm sending. So it will become root 2 and x will become root 2 upon this is the value of first x. And the
Okay, so
second
root
now,
2 upon root 3, we can make it root 6 upon 3.
no, you can't. You can, yes. This can be, this also can. So it will become
X equal to root 2 by root 3 or root 6 by 3.
yeah. So how the Edric was saying about that when you will multiply, when you will rationalize it by multiplying root 3 into root 3, so root 2 into root 3 will become root 6, and root 3 into root 3 become 3. Did you understand? Yes or no? Guys, did you understand?
Yeah.
No.
So how will it be 3? Root 3 and root 3 becomes 3.
Root 3 into root 3 is basically 3. We learned that 3 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 3. So when I will multiply the root 3 into root 3 becomes 3.
Okay.
Okay? So clear it out. Abigail, Betya, Jason, did you understand? If you didn't understand, ask me please.
I understood, sir.
Jason has doubt. Yes, ask me, Jason, please.
I can't see the screen.
Why? You can't see the screen. Everyone, can you see that screen?
Yes, sir.
Jason, rejoin it. Then might be your problem might be solved.
Sir,
Yes.
for the fourth question you gave in homework, I wasn't able to find the middle term splitting factors.
Okay, we'll do that. No problem. It's good that you are doing homework.
Yeah, I'm just lazy to send it. That's the thing. I'll send it today.
Why my network is not.
And sir, like in the last lesson we did proving linear equations in two variables graphically. So in that, it either has to be parallel or coincide in one point or coincide in every point.
13. 1, 3. Yeah?
Because I
Sorry?
got like some graphs which I'm drawing, it's not
Hmm.
coinciding. Like it's making a V shape.
So you have to extract lines. So you have to find that coordinates also that comes after the intersection. If they are making V shape, it means that they will intersect. Huh?
Yeah.
So if they will intersect, so you have to find that point which will come after the intersection point so that you can make a cross.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I got it.
Okay, Jashan, now you can see that. Jashan, can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will give you one more question. Same type of question. Shall I raise this?
So
Yeah.
I have a doubt on the fourth question of the homework.
Yeah. I'll do the photo. Just give me a second.
Wait, sir. 1 minute. I'm still copying, sir.
Okay, quickly do it.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. So I'm reading this. Yeah. What is the fourth question? Can anybody speak it, please?
Yes,
Uh,
okay.
Hmm.
2x square
2x squared
minus x
minus x
plus 1 by 8.
plus 1 by 8 is equals to 0. Okay. So in this question, first of all, we have to make the denominator same. So how will we make the denominator same? Like here, the denominator are 1 and 1. So basically, we have to make the denominator same by multiplying 8 up and 8 down. So basically, this is the
I
equation.
mean,
No?
to multiply the entire equation by 8.
Yeah. Okay. So I will multiply this up 8 and this down 8 in the same way this up 8, this down 8 and equals to 0. So basically, what will I do? It will become 60x square upon 8 minus 8x upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 is equals to 0. Then the denominator is common. So I will write this equation minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0. This 8 will go and it will multiply. It will become 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0. This is the equation. So now when you will get this equation, middle splitting, simple like that.
But where did the denominator 8 go, sir?
So that will go to the right hand side. It will multiply it with 0. But when you multiply it by 0, then you will get marks. That marks which I used to get in my 10th class.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
Ira, did you understand what I did? No?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Oh.
But this one.
This Friday test.
Huh?
Are you guys ready for the test this Friday?
What test?
Yeah, test. If I will
No,
give you
what?
test,
What test? Which lesson?
this chapter only. Quadratic equation, middle term splitting, as in the quadratic formula. Only that segment.
Sir, I won't be there this Thursday and Friday. I'm going out like on a camp.
So yeah, June there'll be my camp. I mean my holidays. Okay, so June month I won't be available. So guys, you can take any break on June. But yeah, but I will give one assignment to you. Okay, it's my holiday, it's not yours. So I'll give you one assignment and we'll do one presentation ceremony, which we used to do after a break. In that presentation ceremony, it will be science one, so I want Abigail also to participate. Okay, just small assignment will be there. Okay, so there were some chapters are there, for example, air and water. I'll tell you the chapter and pick the chapter. That chapter that you have to make PPT and you have to explain it. So when you will come after July, so you have to explain it, you have to represent it, and the best will get the prize. So the prize will be delivered to your own address. You have to send it out. Did you understand, guys? Yeah. So I'll give you the yeah. Right.
No, but like for the test this Friday, I won't be able to complete it on Saturday, Sunday also. So like Monday morning, I will send it.
Yeah, but this week they won't be on the test. We'll take on next week. Okay. So now we'll do one more question, which I will give it to you. Okay, do this question and give me the answer.
Which method, sir?
Middle term question. I hope you're getting this, guys. Are you? Yes or no? So today is the last day. Joshua, Vidya, Joshua. I think send the video test also. So you guys have only today time till 5 p.m. Please try to send it to me.
Got the answer, sir.
Got the answer?
Me
Yeah.
too. I also got the answer, sir.
Good. . 。  . 。 . 。 . 。 . . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Do some more questions. Do these questions. And this, by making denominator same, you're not able to get it. There's another method. Did anybody know this method? Patrick? You know about? If you're trying to make denominator same, you're not able to get it. In this, it is called as assumed method. So basically, we have to let 1 upon x be a and 1 upon y be b. So it will become like this. So 1 upon x is there, so it will become a square because 1 upon x square is there, no? It will become b square, and then it will become 2. 1 upon x is basically a, 1 upon y is equals to b. Okay, so we know that a square plus b square plus 2ab is in the form of a plus b whole square. Did you understand? So it will become 1 upon x plus 1 upon y whole square is equal to 0. Like this here. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Ira? No?
Yes, so sir, the 2AB is basically 2XY.
Yeah.
Okay.
This 1 upon x is basically a, no? And 1 upon y is equal to b. So it becomes 2a.
Okay, sir. I understood.
I'll give you one more question. Do this question. Yeah. Any idea?
Yes, sir. I have an idea.
In the same way, this will also be done by assuming. So I will take let p minus q be a. So it becomes a square minus 6a minus 16. Like that. Did you understand? Yes or no? So now you have to solve it and get the middle term. Joshua, did you understand? Deshaun?
Okay.
Yeah, quickly
So
do it.
what equation is it? So,
Yeah,
so what equation is it?
it's basically the question only, but I take it, I assume that P minus Q as a. So P minus Q is basically A, so it becomes A square minus 6 into P minus Q. Again, P minus Q is there, so instead of P minus Q, I just wrote A minus 60. So now you have to do the middle term splitting, and in the end, you just substitute the P minus Q again.
Okay.
Did you understand? No. Okay, done. Can I raise this?
Yes, please.
Do you guys need help or shall I erase this? What's
You can
Erase
erase
it.
it, sir.
Erase it, sir.
everyone got it or not? Bettia, Joshua, don't just skip the question. Do it.
Got it, sir.
Got it? Everyone, Bettia, don't skip it. If you have doubt, please ask me. Your doubt can help any other also. Okay, then I will give you one question. The question. Do it.
Sir, you wrote 7A. It should be 7X.
Oh, sorry, not it. You getting any disturbance from my side?
No, sir.
You can do it. Abigail, how will you solve this?
Sir, this is an easy one, sir.
I was just thinking about that. Hmm.
Okay, so basically, what is the first step of middle term splitting? Abigail?
To find the two
You have to
things that
multiply
you
the first and the
split.
last term. So when you multiply and tell me what is the answer?
It's minus 120 x
Yes,
squared.
minus 20, 120 x squared. Now, why? How? So everyone, please listen. Root 2 into root 2 become 2. Yes. And 12 5 is 60. So 60 into 2 is 120. Did you listen, guys? Yes or no? Just on. Here. I'm repeating again. See, root 2 multiplied by root 2 is basically 2. 5 into 12 is 16. Now 60. 60 into 2 is basically 120. That's why I got 120. Did you listen, guys? Okay. So now Now, when you will multiply it, so it will become, now we want a factor -7 in the middle. So, can you tell me the factor, please? Anybody?
-15 and +8.
Yeah, good. So, -15 and +8. So, it will become 5 root 2x square -15x +8x -12 root 2 0. Now, what is common? 5 is the common, and x is also. So, root 2x -3. And from this, what is the common?
4.
4 is common. 4 root 2 is common. How? Because it will become 2x minus 6 root 2 is equals to 0. Now listen, guys. Still,
3 root 2. 3 root 2.
no. Yeah, 3 root. So now what the thing is there? This is root 2x minus 3. This is 2x minus 3 root 2. So root 2 can be written as 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So what will I do? I will take out one root 2 also. So it becomes 5x root 2x minus 3 plus 4 root 2 and root 2x minus 3, so that I can get the same thing. So now 5x plus 4 root 2 and root 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So these are the two factors. Did you understand, guys? Again, I think it's a little bit hard, but we have to try it.
Okay, sir.
You have to try it. Don't try it. Okay, so there's a homework.
No, sir, don't give.
Yeah, so this is your homework. Okay, so these 5 question is your homework, not more than that. Okay, Abigail, take screenshot and send in the group. These 5 question is your homework. Okay, guys, I believe you can do it.
We'll do it, sir.
Okay, so we'll stop our class. I mean, Abigail, we meet tomorrow. We have 5 minutes break, then we come. Okay, bye, Abigail. So we'll meet
Bye.
tomorrow.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
5 minutes break. Come join in 5 minutes, and we'll have time. Ah, Jashran, are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Yeah, what you didn't understand, ask me. I'll help you. It's okay. Tell me.
Basically it's square roots and everything. I can't understand how to get the answer.
Which part? Tell me the question. I will explain to you again. Tell me the question which you didn't understand.
In any question, sir, the square root always has me very confused.
Yeah, it is confusing. So tell me one question. Like I'll help you, and then if you didn't understand, then we'll help you again. It's okay. Tell me. Tell me that question. It's okay. You didn't understand all the questions. Just tell me one question. I will help you in that question.
The question that you gave, first question I think, 7x square plus 2 root 35x
Plus 2 root 35x and
plus 5 equal to 0.
plus 5. Okay. So you now unmute your mic, okay? Don't mute your mic. So you should know that 7 can be written as root 7 multiplied by root 7. Root 35 can be written as root 5 into root 7. And 5 can be written as root 5 multiplied by root 5. Okay, before doing this, you can write it down in the side of your copy also. Okay, now what is the first step, Jason? Unmute your mic and say,
Sir,
yeah.
which
What is the first step? How will you solve now?
uh, multiply the first and the last,
So what is the answer?
35x square.
Very good.
Then I don't understand how to get it to 2 root 35x.
So okay, one more thing you should know that root 35, sorry, 35 can be written as root 35 into root 30. Okay? Did you understand? Yeah. So now you should know that here we can see that if I will do any 7 into 5, so it becomes 35. But it will not come as the middle term, which is 2 root 35. So it means that we need some term which is related to root 35 only. If I get whole number or the natural number or the integer, I will not get the answer. Why I am not getting the answer? Because it is not related to root 35. Okay, it is not equals to root 35. If it is equal to root 35, then only it will happen. It will be useful for us. Did you understand? No. You didn't understand? Ask me.
Understood, sir.
Okay, so what I'm trying to say that you need a number which is related to root 35 only. So tell me any number.
The 35 is equal to root 35 into root 35. So I can
So,
root 35x and root 35x.
so why you chose that?
Because then these two multiplied will be 35x squared.
Yes. And when you will add it, then
2 root 35x. Yes.
yeah. So it's correct. Okay, so it will become 7x squared plus root 35x plus root 35x plus 5 equals to 0. Now you understand? No. Now,
Understood, sir. The part in which you have to make it into different
common, no? Take out common. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, tell me. Now, will you solve that? So I told you, like 7 can be written as root 7 into root 7. Can you see that? And root 35 can be written as root 5 into root 7. So from these two coefficients, what is the common?
7 and x.
Root 7, not 7, because root 35 is there, no? So root 7 is the common. So if I will take out root 7 as a common, so root 7x is a common. Now what will remain behind in the first term? Can you tell me?
Root 7x
Yes.
plus
Then
root
uh,
5. Yeah, plus root 5.
yes, root 5.
Oh,
Now in this, what is the common? Tell me.
5.
Okay. So 5 is not the common. Why? Because its root 35 is there. If normal 35 is there, then 5 is the common. No. The root 35 can be written as root 5 into root 7. 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. Now what is the common?
Root 5.
Yes, root 5 is the common. So if I will take out root 5 as a common, so what will remain behind?
Root 7x plus root 5.
Very good. So now what is the common between these two terms?
Root 7x plus root 5.
Yeah, you got it. Now you only solve it. I didn't solve it. You are playing Mayful with me? Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. While you were explaining it, I just understood it.
Right. Yeah. So now you practically do it. Like this you're trying to say. Or otherwise you say, sir, raise your hand. Here is the camera. It's a prank. I understood, but I am telling you to understand me that nothing. Again. Okay. So any more problem? Try to do that solve question also. Tomorrow also we will take that class if you didn't understand. So it's okay. It's thing that you will not get first time. When baby starts to walk, so he walks, then he again step down. Then he walks, then again step down. Sometimes he get injured also, but he will try. So try, but don't. Okay, so I am there to. Okay, so now take out a science copy. Jawan is saying, sir, it's science class. What are you taking maths class? Jawan, very bad. Okay, so we were doing some topic on dialysis, sorry, excretion we understood yesterday. Now today we will learn about the other organ which removes the waste from our body. So you can see that we have sweating. So sweating is also one of the important way of releasing waste. Everyone turn in the camera. Joshua, Bethia, Edric, please turn in the camera. Okay. So sweating is also one of the way to remove uh, waste material from our body. So, like for example, sweating. Sweating is the way in which body releases some salts. Okay, and if you sweat a lot, you will find that after the like drying of the sweat, you will find some namak on your body. That namak is nothing else but it's a salt. And that salt is not useful for your body. That's why it's excreting it out. So we have these types of things. Okay, for example, this thing, skin, which releases sweat. Okay, and so this is also excretion process. Kidney, yesterday we learned about urine, urea. Liver also releases like amino acid, okay, which is also excreted by liver. And lungs, as we learned, that it releases carbon dioxide. So basically, this is how the things work. But I never heard about liver. Okay, so now maintenance of the correct amount of water and mineral ions in the blood is called as osmoregulation. So osmo, the word itself says that osmo means water. Regulation means of what? Regulation means maintenance. So if there is osmoregulation, it means that there is a water balance is maintained by the body. So, for example, if you drinking excess water, then through the process of osmoregulation, the excess water will come out. But if you're not drinking water, so you will find it out that urine becomes yellowish in color. If you're not drinking water, for example, a day, you are doing a lot of work, and in that work, you forget to drink water. So when you will go, so the urine will be more acidic. It will bring pain also in the genital area, and that urine also have yellowish color because if you're not drinking water, the urine, the water, like we learned yesterday, 95% is water and 5% is ions. So from the urinary bladder only, it gets absorbed if the body needs water. Okay, so that's why drinking water will releases the ions easily. If you're not drinking water, urine will be yellowish in color, and it will create burning also because it becomes more acidic. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay, now kidney failure and dialysis. So before doing that, I will show you one video. Just give me a second. Okay. And then this is the video that I will show you. Removed from the blood to compensate. Okay. Just give me a second.
This is a process through which waste products are artificially removed from the blood to compensate for the presence of an abnormally functioning kidney. In a healthy kidney, waste products, excess fluids, and electrolytes such as sodium and potassium are removed from the body in the form of urine. In the case of kidney disease, the loss of kidney function results in the increased accumulation of excess waste, toxins, or fluid in the body, thereby causing other complications such as hypertension, heart failure, pulmonary edema, metabolic acidosis, and hyperkalemia. Dialysis is performed in the following situations. 1. Acute kidney failure, or 2. To remove drugs or poisons from the body. Dialysis could be of two types. 1. Hemodialysis. 2. Peritoneal dialysis. Hemodialysis. This is done with the aid of a dialyzer, which is a machine present outside the body, which removes the toxic substances from the blood. A vascular access site is created by first numbing the area with local anesthesia and creating an arteriovenous graft by connecting one of the arteries with a vein with the help of a plastic tube, or an arteriovenous fistula by directly connecting one of the arteries with a vein. Once the graft or fistula has healed, hemodialysis could be performed for the patient. At the start of the process, 2 needles are inserted into the fistula or graft, allowing a circuit to be set up with the dialyzer. Blood flows out of the body into the dialyzer, which consists of filtering fibers that remove waste products and excess fluid from the blood, and a dialysate which acts as an absorbent solution for undesirable substances in the blood. Blood purified in this manner is returned to the body through the tubing into the second needle at the access site. When the hemodialysis session is complete, the needles and tubing are removed and the patient is allowed to return home. Peritoneal dialysis is done using the peritoneal lining of the abdomen, without the external removal of blood from the body. A soft catheter is first inserted into the abdomen, near the belly button, creating a port through which the dialysate can enter or leave the abdomen. Each session of the peritoneal dialysis is known as an exchange. The abdominal cavity is first filled with the dialysate, using the catheter for a period of time determined by the doctor. Through the peritoneal membrane, waste products and excess fluid are continuously drawn out of the blood into the dialysate, which ultimately drains into a disposable collection bag during the exchange.
Right? So I'm trying to say we will not go to the peritoneal dialysis, but we will learn about the hemodialysis. And in the hemodialysis, it occurs when the blood goes through the machine with the help of artery, and then the blood after the filtration, then it will go to the vein, and it will go to the heart, and the heart to the all part of the body. Did you listen, guys? So please read this. We'll read. The Betty, will read. Yeah, Betty. Okay. Yeah, Betty, read.
From where? Oh, certain diseases or sometimes an accident may lead to kidney failure since the number of nephrons is as large as almost 1 million in each kidney. A person can survive even with one kidney. However, in case both the kidneys are damaged, it is difficult to remain alive. Modern technology can now save such patients with the help of new technology like dialysis and kidney transplant. Figure 22.17 shows the setup of an artificial kidney. A tube is inserted in the arteries in the patient's arm or leg. The tube is connected to the kidney machine. This plastic tube has two membranes so as to form one tube within the other. In the inner tube flows blood from patient's arteries. This blood is surrounded by fluids, dialysis fluids, in the outer tube, separated from it by the membranes of the inner tube. Wastes move out from blood into the fluid. The blood of its waste goes back from the kidney machine into the veins in the arms or legs and back into the body. The dialysis fluid carrying waste is removed from the machine. This technology is termed dialysis.
Dialysis. Perfect. Okay, so we saw the video. You can see here also that artery is now the blood is there. So I want the question can be asked why the pure blood is inserted into vein. Why not artery? So anybody has any idea about that? Can raise your hand and say me the answer. Why the pure blood, like after dialysis, the pure blood is inserted into the vein? Why not in artery? Jahan, you want to give a try? Edric?
No.
No? Ira? Give a try, give a try. It's okay.
Like it would go into the vein, then it would go into the heart, and then to carry more oxygen and go back out. Probably.
If it will be on a specific artery, if the blood is purified, it will be in specific artery. So that specific artery basically just just become like it will be pure for that artery only. But if it will be in the vein, then vein will go to the heart, and the heart will be all body. So that is easy. So that is why whenever the kidney, even kidney, first it is artery and then it becomes vein. So basically, it will become vein and it will go to the heart and the so that it can be transferred to the all body part. That is why it goes to the vein. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can. So we have completed this chapter. Any problem in this chapter? Any problem? So I'm giving you 5 minutes to go through this chapter, and then I will ask you some questions. Okay, some oral question I can ask because we have 10 minutes left. So just read 5 minutes from this chapter. Read it again, and then I can ask you any question regarding to the kidney excretion anything. So quickly do it. I'm here only. Don't turn off your camera. Okay, just yes, Joshua. Say it again. Can you say it again, please? Can you write it down and send it to me?
Should we read the whole chapter?
I will ask you question on 11:16. 11:16. We have 3 minutes left.
You ask question on which one?
From the whole chapter. And the terminal exercise is your homework. So try to do it and then I'll take this test. Joshua, please send me your test. Bethia, Joshua, Jashran. Jashran, yes, Jashran also. Please send me the test by 5. बात छोड़ो. Done? Okay. So my first question is, so there is a T. Okay, so Jahoan, Jashron, and Petia will be in one team, and Ira, Edric, and Joshua will be in one team. So I will ask one question from first Ira's team. Okay, so Ira's team. I mean, you guys can tell like Edric, Joshua, and Ira. You have chance to tell, but Edric give chance to everyone. Okay. Okay. So from the Ira's team, I want to ask what enzymes are secreted when are secreted from pancreas.
I know.
So anybody like Ira is the captain, so Ira can decide who to tell.
Sir, could Edric be the captain? I don't want to be the captain.
Okay, Edric is the captain. So Edric, you can decide who can tell the answer.
So this one, I know it. I know it.
Okay, so you decide who will give the answer.
Me.
Okay, tell.
Okay. So amylase, lipase, and trypsin.
Very good. Amylase, lipase, and pepsin. Okay, so from now Jashron team. So Jashron is the captain of the second team. So Jashron, what are the roles of the enzyme which is released by the pancreatic juice? What are the roles? Like amylase did what, lipase did what, and the trypsin did what? So anybody? Better please. Yeah.
Convert the complicated material to less complicated.
So what is the role of amylase? So Jashron, you have to tell the
Can
name.
Bethia say?
Who is telling? Yeah. Who is telling?
Can Bethia say?
Uh, we have to tell what they do, right?
Yeah, what is the role of amylase? What is the role of trypsin? What is the role of trypsin, amylase, and lipase?
Pepsin, it converts.
It's open book. You can open the book also. Okay,
Oh, I can see. Okay. Wait.
but you don't have time. So please
Okay.
quickly will pass.
Converts
Okay.
peptons and protons to smaller peptides, whatever that is. Amylase converts starch into maltose, and lipase converts fats into fatty acid and glycerol.
Oh, good. Good. Okay. So what is the role of bile juice from Edric team? What is the role of bile juice? Edric team.
Okay. So this question I will
Don't.
ask Joshua.
Yeah, Joshua. Good. Good leader. Yes, Joshua. You it's open book. You can open the book and you can tell me. Yeah.
Bile juice, I think it used to break down the food.
Which book? Which type of is it fat or carbohydrate or food?
So can you ask that? I can't hear.
Idea? Feed. What is the role of bile juice?
Bile juice breaks down the food.
Mhm. Which type of food? No idea, Joshua?
I think it breaks down Hard substances.
Editing. Anybody else? Do you want to give chance?
I'll give chance to Ira.
Yes,
So,
Ira.
Byju's or alkaline breaks down the fats.
Fats into what's this called?
The process is called emulsification.
Yes. Good. The process is called emulsification. Okay, last question from Jashwan. Okay, Jashwan. So, what are the why like stomach releases what? And you have to tell me the enzymes. Okay. So, and why that medium is necessary? And how stomach protect themselves from that medium? Like we know that stomach releases HCl. So why HCl is necessary? And why, like how stomachs protect themselves from HCl? So Jashwan is the captain. Jashwan, whom do you want to give the opportunity to tell?
Sir, what was the question? I can't remember everything you said.
The question is stomach releases one enzyme and HCl. So why HCl is necessary? Tell the name of that enzyme and how stomach protect themselves from the HCl.
Stomach protects itself from HCl. What is the 9th?
First of all, you tell bit to whom you want to tell them to speak.
Jahan.
Yes, Jahan.
The stomach releases an enzyme called pepsin and the acid HCl.
Oh, it doesn't release pepsin. It doesn't release pepsin. It's very near to it, but it doesn't release pepsin.
Pepsinogen.
Yes, it releases pepsin. Then
HCl turns pepsinogen into pepsin, which kills bacteria and also breaks down proteins.
proteins into
Pepto.
peptide. Correct. Correct. Very good. So everyone, I hope you understand this chapter. And we'll stop our class here only. It's a big chapter. We have completed this chapter, and I will take your test. Like I will inform in the group. So be alert in the group and do as many as question you can do so that it can be easy for you to do it. So we'll stop here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Goodbye. Have a nice